Teachers and students conversation. Hi sir, may I come in? Please come here and take your seat. Relax. Open your page at 10 page and listening carefully my words. Yes sir. Pay attention my instructions. Okay sir. I listening carefully your instructions. Bring me your copy. I want to check it. Okay, sir. There are some mistakes. You could be done it well. Okay, sir. Listening carefully my studies, you describe it after listening. Okay, sir. Other conversation. Doctor and patients. Hi, doctors. May I come in? Okay, take your seat and relax. What is your disease? I have suffering stomach pain. How many days have you suffering? I have been suffering for 5 days. Take you any medicines? No. Have you feeling any symptoms? I have feeling lazy and weakness. Okay. I want to check you. You have a low pressure and I have given you some tests and follow the prescriptions and take your medicines timely. Okay. And you have a need better food such as protein and nutritious foods. Okay. Two friends conversation. Hi Rita, how are you? I am not good. What is your problem? I am feeling sick for 5 days. What is your sicking? I have been sicking by headaches. It is not decreasing? No. I have not getting the way of decreasing. I have take any medicines but it is not decreasing. What do you eating the medicines? I have taking 2 medicines in the medicine shop. Why are you not an appointment in the doctors to visit? I have not time because I am very busy in my working. But you have needed little time to visit the doctors. Okay. I am thinking that I shall go to the doctors and have an appointment and to visit the doctors tomorrow. Okay. Two friends conversation. Hi Rita, how are you? I am very happy to meeting and seeing you after a long time. Yes, I am same condition. I am very thinking about you because I have not time to meeting you. I am joining a new job, but I have getting a time in this day, so I have getting to meet you. Okay, it is very good. What foods do you like? I like the Chinese food. So, of course, you have accepted the food in my home at the evening. Okay, sure. Other conversation. Hi sir, excuse me, can you helping me to find the bank? Okay, sure. I want to help you. I have not finding the way of bank for some minutes. Okay. I explain the way of to find the bank. You go straight and turn left, and of course you should be looking it by the near shopping mall. Okay, thanks. How do you making an apple juice? At first I sell the apples in the market, and juice is better than the apples pieces, and seals the apples and it put into the juicers and switch on the board, and after liquid the juice, it separates the juice and pour into the bottles. The sparrow. The sparrow is a very little bird and a social bird. It stays at the near human shelters, and they live in a group. They eat grain and seed and insects, and they are serving. The crow colors black and its feathers are black. It is a sweeper and social bird and very clever bird. It has a sharp beak. It is very easy to eat the hard things. Its baby name Chips. The parrot. The parrot's feathers are green, and it is a bird to looks nice. It is a pet bird, and it has wings and 2 feet and a curved beak and a circle on the neck. It likes to eat chili, fruits and seeds. It can be success to copy the man's words or talking. The parrot. Parrot is a national bird. It colors varieties green, blue, violet feathers, and it has a crown on their heads. It is very nice to looking is dancing. The peacocks eat grains and insects and seeds. Butterfly has very colorful wings, and it is an insect and very intelligent insect. It burns lays out the eggs, and the butterflies can taste their food by their feet. The butterflies flutter on the flowers. The honeybee is an insect, and it has been stored at a group in the beehive. The queen of the honeybee has a capacities of the leaderships and take care the eggs and others. The butterflies can to making a beehive and stay it a group. How do you cleanse your collars? At first, we or I put the collars or dishes in the machines and power into the some waters and switch on the hose. It has few times to clean it. After cleaning it, I also try to dry it. Please subscribe and like.